This video will walk you through how to use your calculator to find the test statistic and p-value needed to test a claim about a population proportion. Please note this is part of step 3, and I'll scroll back up here to page 2. This is part of step 3 where the z-score and the p-value came from. So what I'm about to do, these calculator steps are typically done here in step 3. So what we're going to do is go to the stat, over to the test menu. Now please understand, if we were dealing with this as a confidence interval, we'd use one prop z int. But since we're dealing with this as a hypothesis test, we'll now move down to one prop z test. And I scrolled too far here, option number 5. It's the same requirements, just one's for an interval and one's for a hypothesis test. Let's select it. P0 is going to be our initial value. In this situation, I'm going to scroll back up here to step 1. P0 in this situation is 1500. Then we're going to go to our value of x, which is the number of successes, and that's given in the problem here as 341. Then we go to 2003 for our number of trials. And then we pick the appropriate alternative hypothesis symbol. And I'm here on step 1, and I see that's a greater than sign. So let's move over to greater than, hit enter to select it. Now let's move past the color. We're not going to use that. Let's go to calculate. We're not going to use draw, so let's hit enter on calculate. And this now represents the z-scores. Z-scores are rounded to 2 decimal places always in this course, 2.54. P-values are probabilities, so that's rounded to 3 significant digits, 0.00558. And as we see here, these are the same results that we find at the end of this exercise as well. This concludes this video.